Hi, welcome to your Hoomster account. I want to briefly show you around so that you can make the most out of your experience. So this is your new homepage, aka your main dashboard. The first thing I want to show you is the multi-search feature. This is very cool, very unique to Hoomster. So if you just click on this icon, you'll see a drop-down with all your search engine options. So let's select Google, Bing, and Quant, and we want to cross-compare all the search results from each of those search engines at the same time. And search. And as you can see, 3 different tabs open from the 3 different search engines with your results. Because you'll be opening multiple tabs at one time with the multi-search option, here's a little trick. You can right-click on the Hoomster tab and select Close Tabs to the right. Easy peasy. Now let's customize your dashboard a little bit. You can drag and drop to reorder these categories however you like. At the top left, you also have your notepad so that you can easily take notes as you go. Now let's add a new category. So all the way at the bottom, you're going to see this little pencil icon. Click it open, and this is your link manager. On the left-hand side, you're going to see all of your categories as well as the subcategories within them. You can add a new subcategory by clicking Add New, or if you scroll to the bottom, you can also add a whole new category by clicking Add New. Let's call our new category Dancing, and let's add a link. Enter the URL and give it a short name. The icon will be pulled directly from the site itself. Now you see this little check mark down here that you can show on dashboard or not. We want to show this on the dashboard, so I'll go ahead and check it. Press done. And as you can see, we added our dancing category to our dashboard. As with all of your categories, you can add as many links within the category as you like. Now let's dive a little deeper into the dashboard. You can of course click any of these links directly from the dashboard, but let's have some fun and go shopping. Clicking into the shopping category, you can now see all of the subcategories within it, and you can also use the multi-search feature within shopping. So let's go shopping for some shoes. Coming over here to footwear, click on the magnifying glass, and you can check or uncheck for all of the stores. Let's say we know we specifically want to shop Zappos, DSW, and Bloomingdale's to see what they have. You can save your search preferences by clicking this button here. Type in your search query and search. And here you see all the blue shoes popping up from the stores that you selected. Just like on your main dashboard, you can drag and drop these blocks into any order you want. Just keep in mind that you can't drag and drop the icons within the blocks. Similarly to your main dashboard, if you scroll to the bottom and click on this little pencil icon here, that will open your shop manager. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of your categories, subcategories. You can add and edit from here. I also want to point out that the sites that are checked here are going to be the ones that show up on your main dashboard. So let's say Zappos and DSW. On the shopping page, you can still see all of those shoe sites, but back here on the main dashboard, you can just see Zappos and DSW. Last but not least, in the top right-hand corner, you can see options for things like icon sizes, light and dark mode, as well as language according to your preference. I hope this was helpful in getting your Hoomster account up and running. Enjoy your newfound productivity.